Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Dr. Shah Jabeen, Assistant Professor from the Department of Physiology. So you all are aware of the post-COVID-19 scenario. The global impact is huge. You can see a lot of students, even in millions, have been disrupted worldwide by this pandemic. Institutions like Harvard tells its students not to return back. So it's having a huge impact on education, not only globally but locally. You can see our Sindh government has also taken initiative to close down all institution for some time now. So during this crisis, there were few efforts we took. Initially, we opted for recorded lectures that were uploaded on YouTube, but after complete lockdown, we were unable to record further. Then we tried Zoom, but you were not comfortable with that due to many network problems. So we ended up on PowerPoint uploading on Edmodo only. And we started taking assignments through emails. So moving on, as the foundation module has now been completed, and let's continue learning, rather to say distance or remote learning. This module, that is the Hemopoietic and Lymphoid module, will be starting from 14th of April. The duration of this module is expected to go for 4 weeks. My dear students, this module focuses on the basic understanding of blood, lymphoid, and immune systems, along with the knowledge of clinical diagnostic plans and their actions on related hematological disorders. This is the slide where I would like to have your attention more. As you see, there are 8 subjects you would be studying in this module. All are well integrated, and that makes this module very interesting. Along with basic sciences subjects, anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, there will be clinical correlation from pharmacology, pathology, community medicine, behavioral sciences, and pediatrics. These are course learning outcomes, the targets you would achieve at the end of the module. Inshallah, you will be able to describe developmental, structural, and functional organization of hemopoietic, lymphoid, and immune systems. Explain the structure, synthesis, functions, degradation, and disorders related to hemoglobin in the biochemistry section. Discuss the epidemiology of blood disorders, hemorrhagic fever, and their public health interventions. Explain the outline of the therapeutic plan for some of the hematological disorders in the pharmacology, and you would also be able to describe the concept of learning, behavior, and motivation. Had things stayed normal, we would have stuck to our original plan with interactive lectures, tutorials, practicals, and examination in the skill lab. But due to this emergency situation, a new methodology has been adopted. Our contingency plan includes recorded lectures on YouTube, as you gave positive feedback about the previous ones, along with PowerPoint slides on Edmodo according to the schedule. Both PowerPoint slides and the recorded lectures will provide a better understanding of the topic and reduce your workload of the distance learning. Assignments would be taken through the email as usual, and the most important thing, the timetable. Timetable will be posted weekly on our own Edmodo. And yes, the most important thing, assessment. Your exam will be taken at the end of the module, and that would be online exam. Of course, on Edmodo, just like the foundation paper. The question paper will be of short answer questions type. in which you have to answer the questions in 1 or 2 lines only, with complete honesty. Here comes the most important slide, what you should be doing. Nowadays you are having a plenty of time as there is no college, no tutorial, no practical, and this is the best time to make a schedule. Use your time effectively, become yourself a task master. But don't act like Jack. You know that old proverb? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So take some rest and don't forget to pray. Pray continually. And yes, I know the most difficult thing nowadays is procrastination. And I am telling you a very fantastic approach to defeat it. Swiss cheese approach. It says, whenever you find yourself with some free time, do a small part of a larger task. That is, if you have any difficult assignment or lecture, break it into many smaller tasks and just do these whenever you get free time. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay safe.